Well, yesterday when I got back into the van and come to set off, I pressed the clutch pedal and it went bang, and it fell all the way to the bottom and wouldn't come back up, and well, that was it, no clutch. So I had to drive home as best as I could without using said pedal and just jamming it in and out of the gears. Do you have my gear gator? Yes, that's how it came. That's I'm planning on a new one, but I've just not found one in pink yet. So yeah, pedal, boom, fall, bang. Seems the automatic adjuster had got too automatic for its own good and went past the end and decided that it had come to its end. The end was no more, so it fell to the floor. Apparently, as you can see on this picture, there's a steel bar with two flattened sides, and against that goes two rollers, and they grip the steel, and gripping steel can be quite good, and it gets too smooth, and I think that's the case of what happened. It got too smooth. So, well, my reconstruction of the automatic cable adjuster has been a failure. It doesn't want to seem to adjust enough, but what I have found is if I just jam a pair of pliers under the end of there, it all works fine. So I think what I need to do now is take them out and build myself a shim to fit under there to match that size. Might have to be a wooden shim. I don't know if I've got anything metal to do, but well, bit of wood. I'll be okay till it falls out on the motorway and leaves me stranded, but we'll see how it goes. Try and manage to afford to buy a new cable. It's going to have to be a temporary fix. Okay, so I never got to make video of this part of my table build. I didn't want to get my phone covered in grow, because I'll be using grow, so I just took photos when I could instead, which is why you're seeing the start of the raw materials now. A few sticks of wood and a bit of ply, and the idea is to take one of these sticks and make a frame around the plywood and screw and grow it all the way around for strength. Strengthen the corners with metal brackets so it doesn't kind of shift and bend about too much. And put two strengtheners down the middle and grow them into place. That'll give us one kind of sturdy tabletop, which is just rolled in cups and things as I move things around. It's a bit stronger than what I could have bought for a small price in shop, and I already had this wood available, so it makes sense to use what I've got. So today we're on with adding hinges and feet, legs, call them what you will, to get it about 30 inch off the ground. And I just so happen to have some of these available. I don't know what they're supposed to be used for. I've not kind of seen them before in this kind of shape and size, but my plan, I'll drill through there and I'll put one on there with a couple of screws to stop it twisting where I bolt it. I've got a fair few of these big bolts, so I'll put one of those through there, and through here, and stick a washer in that one, hold that in that position, and then I'll stick a bolt through this way into a piece of wood to make a light. Some brace in between them. So here we are with one drilled and mounted. If you can see too second one. And add a piece of board to the side to strengthen it up. And a wire stay, as you normally get on all the standard kind of pasting tables that do this. So there we go. That's one side done. Bit of glue. Make sure it stays stuck together. That should be quite a strong table when it's turned over the other way. I just need to kind of cut all these to match, so it's nice and even when it's stood. But we're getting there. We're getting there.